Ever had to create a roster or maybe a timetable in Excel and you've had to put the weekdays in manually? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it using the autofill function so that it will do Monday to Friday, Monday to Friday. I'm going to show you how to do it including the weekends as well, but I'm going to show you the other bit, which a lot of people don't know about. Anyway, time for the intro. The first step is to type in a day of the week. So I've typed in Monday. I'm going to click away from there and now click back on the box. So on the box or the cell that says Monday, you've got a little kind of square down the bottom right of it. What we're going to do, we're going to drag that down. Okay, you can see that by dragging it down, it's preempting what's going to go in there, but I'll let go of it now. There you can see it's populated Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and so forth. So there you go. That's how you do it. It's that easy. But what you can also do, you can make it a little bit better than that. So if I wanted Monday, but I only wanted Monday listed for some reason, so maybe I just want Monday, 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 Monday. Yeah, I've got lots of tasks to be done or something like that. What I can do, hold down the control button on your keyboard, so that's the control key I should say, so the control key on your keyboard. Same thing, using that little square, then just scroll down, let go of it, you can see it's just listed Monday everywhere. I will undo that. Now this one here is going to be particularly useful. A lot of people don't know you can do this. I mean a lot of people don't know. So I'm going to scroll down, same as before, using that little square sim all the way down here. So we can see going down to the Sunday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But down the bottom, next to the little square, you got another symbol. I'm going to click on that, and it's the autofill options. So autofill options, click on it, and you've got more options here. So you can do fill weekdays. Click on that, and now it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and so on. So you've lost those weekends. So if you're going to be doing a roster at work, or if you're doing a timetable of some description, then this will be absolutely perfect for it. And now you know how to use the fill function for days of the week.